Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony's Child. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a wig, yes, with a sewing machine, and you can actually use a needle and thread. Just make sure you follow the process I'm going to drop in this video. So yeah, welcome to my returning subscribers, to my new subscribers, and you watching my video for the first time, you are also welcome. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. So I'm just trying to demarcate where I'm going to sew on. So I gave this space 1 inch. Spacing this cap, like giving it a space, it depends on how full the weave on you want to use, how full it is. And this weave on I'm using is full and not really full, is much and not really much. So that's why I gave it 1 inch at first. And if you see that the weave on is very long, that it's very long, it's very full, you can just make use of half inches instead of 1 inches, because when I actually finish sewing on this cap, I still have a lot of weave on, and I later fix it inside the inch 1 inch. I later make it a half inch, but I've already sewn, and after sewing I just make sure I fix the remaining weave on inside the inches. You see it when you are watching. Just make sure you watch from beginning till the end. So guys, I've done sewing. I said I still have excess weave on left. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you how I fix it inside the 1 inches. This first one I've fixed it, so I'm going to fix it inside this particular space. So that's what I've been doing right from start. After I've finished sewing on those lines I demarcated at first, and I still have excess weave on, so I'll just go ahead and fix it in between the spaces. That's how I did everything. So keep on watching, guys. So now this is the inside and this is the closure side. So I'm just going to cut the cap inside away. Like, this is the closure side, please don't make mistake. So I'm just going to cut the cap inside that side out, like the cap around that closure side. I've sewed the closure on that cap, so that's I'm cutting out the cap that is there. So guys, just be very careful when you are cutting it, so you won't cut the closure away. So this is when I was done stretching the hair. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.